I want to talk about something today, big decisions. The one that keeps you up at night. Job change, moving cities, starting something new. And everyone freezes on this. I also used to do the same, right? And I would overthink for weeks, months. Like make a list, delete the list, make it again, ask five people, get five different opinions, end up more confused than before I even started. So I had to find a way out of that particular loop. And honestly, it came down to just three things. The first thing, I ask myself one question at the age of 80 years old, looking back, will I regret trying this or will I regret not trying this? That's it. Not will I succeed, not what will people think, just that one question. And here is why it works. Most fear is about the next few months, but the regret is about your whole life. So when you zoom out that far, the most decision that feel huge right now, it shrinks very fast. Second thing, I give myself a real deadline. Not someday, not when I feel ready, the actual date. Because here is something nobody tells you. Overthinking isn't the same as being careful. Overthinking is just a delay, it fears and dressed up nicely, right? So pick a date and whatever I know by that date, I will just go and do it. The last third thing, and this one took me the longest to actually believe that this can work. The wrong decision still teaches you something, the no decision teaches you nothing. I have made choice that it did not work out. The only truly wasted decision is the one you never make or you never made. So here is the three things. Ask what you will regret at the age of 80. Give yourself a real deadline. And the last, remember, even a wrong choice moves you forward more than no choice at all. So if you are stuck on something right now, stop asking what if I am wrong. Start asking what if I never try. Tell me in the comment what's the decision you have been sitting on. I will read them, but my suggestion, just go for it.